Hi everyone, Robert here with Mod Science, and today I'm just going to do a quick video about doing a quick pH balance test after having done the complete Mayhems Blitz parts 1 and 2 on my radiator. And so what I've done is I've completed the first steps. I did part 1, blitz the radiator itself, and then I've also flushed the system with the part 2 of the kit itself. So part 2 really is what you would use to flush the entire loop that you have in your system. You would use part 1 solely for decontaminating the radiator, and you've seen all that in previous videos, and you'll have links in the videos as well. So all you do, part 2 consisted of flushing the system, and then I actually drained it 3 times, and each time that I drained it, I would fill it up with some distilled water, and then let the system run for 60 minutes for a full hour. Drain, fill it up with water, drain, fill it up with water, for a total of 3 times. So it takes a while. It was like 3 hours. I did it on Saturday. And then after that, you simply check the pH balance of the last fill that you did of your system, and so long as you're within a certain level, then you're okay. So the Mayhem kit comes with these little litmus strip papers, and all you do is you simply take one, of course, and then take it off. And this is the fluid that I just drained from my most recent loop right here, and put it in for about a second, and then it'll change color to whatever level your fluid is at. So right now, I would say this is probably closer to maybe like a 6, and the instructions state that you simply want to be anywhere between let me see. Yeah, it says I think you want to be anywhere between a 6 to an 8, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, pH of anywhere between 6 to 8 is ideal. So orange, a lighter green, and then a green. Okay, so we're right in the middle there. So that goes to show that the pH levels inside of the system itself are good, and I can proceed with filling the coolant in the loop. Now, it does indicate that you should add a biocide. Just a drop of biocide, and then retest every time to get to the certain level. But the coolant that I'm using actually already has some biocide in it. So if I'm following directions correctly, I don't necessarily think that I have to do anything else. So it took a long time to actually drain the loop and then fill it 3 times with the fluid itself, but finally got it done. The next video here in the series will actually show you filling the loop with the coolant that I had in it previously. Okay. Now, do understand that the fluid that I did install or put into the loop I didn't blitz the radiator or anything like that previously, so I filtered the coolant as much as I can. I don't have another bottle or a fresh bottle of the coolant, which would be ideal. I was actually expecting to get a sample from EK, but I actually only got 1 sample for my different build, which is fine. So anyway, I'll be following up with that in another video here, but that pretty much covers the entire series of blitzing the radiator and using the Mayhem kit itself. So it's pretty cool and pretty cheap. 30 bucks is what it sent me back, and I have a little bit more confidence now that my loop will at least be a little bit cleaner. Granted, I don't know how the coolant that was in there previously, how it will affect things. It having been in a system that was already not flushed previously, but I've run the coolant through some filters quite a few times, and I'll actually explain that in the next video. Anyway, so like I said, this covers the Mayhems Blitz overview. Thanks again for checking out the series, and again, check out the website modscience.net. And it's continuously growing. And then, of course, we have a Facebook page, Facebook Mod Science. Go ahead and submit any questions down below. Like the video if you did enjoy it. Even if you didn't, go ahead and like it just for the hell of it. And then go ahead and subscribe to the channel as well. I can use as many subscribers as I can. Again, thanks for checking out the video. And if you have any questions, let me know.